August gathering with her keynote address. May I most respectfully invite the Honorable Chief Justice.
Good evening and namaskar to all. Honorable Mr. Justice Rajiv Ranjan Prasad, Judge cum JAD 2 Patna High Court. Honorable Mr. Justice Mohit Kumar Shah, Judge Patna High Court cum Inspecting Judge of the Judgeship of Patna. My esteemed sister and brother judges of the Patna High Court. Learned Registrar General and members of the Registry Patna High Court. Mr. Rupesh Deo, Learned Principal District and Sessions Judge Patna. Mr. Basno Shankar Mehrotra, Special Secretary cum Additional Legal Remembrancer Law Department, Government of Bihar. Learned Principal District and Sessions Judges, Judicial Officers of the Judgeship of Patna and Subdivision Paliganj. Mr. Ramakant Sharma, Chairman, Bihar State Bar Council. Learned Office Bearers of the Bar Association Paliganj. Mr. Kundan Kumar, District Magistrate Patna. Shri Kartikeya K. Sharma, Senior Superintendent of Police, Patna. Shri Kumar Anurag, Managing Director, Bihar State Building Construction Corporation Limited, Government of Bihar. Learned members of the Building Construction Department, contractors, architects and engineers associated with the project. All other esteemed dignitaries present, members of the print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. It is a privilege to stand before you today at the inauguration of this newly constructed infrastructure under the Patna Judgeship. The commissioning of the subdivisional court building, ground plus 5, the judicial officers' quarters, ground plus 3, the lawyers' hall, and the Hazard building marks an indispensable step forward in the administration of justice in this region. On 20th of May 2015, as I am told, the Subdivisional Judicial Court at Paliganj was inaugurated by Honorable Chief Justice Sri L. Narasimha Reddy. That was a beginning. Today, 11 years on, we do not merely continue, we consolidate, we expand, and we affirm. When we talk about judicial infrastructure, we are not merely discussing the expansion of physical assets or public work projects. We are discussing the structural foundation that supports the rule of law. A functional modern workspace directly influences the efficiency, transparency, and the speed with which justice is delivered. The completion of this multi-story complex represents a long-term commitment to changing how justice operates at the grassroots level. As we look back at the journey since the subdivisional court was established here in 2015, we see an institutional evolution that aims to touch the lives of every humble citizen in the Paliganj subdivision. There are two kinds of inaugurations. The first is merely ceremonial. A ribbon is cut, a plaque is unveiled, and the life resumes as before. The second is transformative. It marks the point at which an institution crosses a threshold it cannot recross. What we witness here in Paliganj today is without question the second kind. This project is a promise that the institutional capacity of a subdivisional courts will match the demands of the modern era, ensuring that the legal machinery remains robust, accessible, and thoroughly equipped to handle the challenges of tomorrow. These structures represent years of work, not months. The construction of the court building was commenced in July 2019 and completed in January 2022. The construction of Hazard barracks and guard quarters in the 15-court building followed and completed in November 2024. The residential quarters were delivered in October 2023 and ancillary works were completed as recently as September 2025. Each date in that list is not a bureaucratic entry, but a chapter in a story of institutional resolve. The institutional building achieves its purpose only through the professionals who work within it and the citizens who seek their rights. The addition of a dedicated lawyers' hall in this complex is a long overdue necessity. This facility is designed to provide you with the professional environment required to execute your duties with efficiency and focus. सच तो ये है कि कोर्ट की इस इमारत का असली मकसद तब पूरा होता है जब इसके अंदर काम करने वाले अधिवक्ताओं और न्याय की उम्मीद में आने वाले आम लोगों को एक बेहतर माहौल मिले। हमारे वकील साथी बुनियादी सुविधाओं के अभाव में धूप और बरसात झेलते हुए 20 सालों से लगातार काम करते आए हैं। ये नया लॉयर्स हॉल आप सभी के काम को आसान बनाने और सम्मानजनक माहौल देने के लिए तैयार किया गया है ताकि आप बेहतर तरीके से मुकदमों की तैयारी कर सकें। The quality of judicial output depends significantly on the environment provided to our judicial officers. The completion of the 12-unit judicial residential quarters and essential components of the project provides our judges with secure, appropriate housing and helps maintain focus, mental peace for the rigorous discipline required to discharge their onerous responsibilities effectively. We have seen the courts and the quarters. The facilities provided have been made with utility in mind. The Hazrat also reflects mindfulness and compassion towards the UTPs and their requirements. Simultaneously, the completion of every other infrastructure related herein reflect the constitutional standards and ensures secure, humane and legally compliant facilities for individuals in custody. I place on record my appreciation for Honorable Mr. Justice Mohit Kumar Shah, Inspecting Judge of Patna Judgeship, whose attentive overseeing of this judgeship and his dedication to the project for the welfare of the beneficiaries have ensured that ground realities come alive and are not left on papers. I also thank Justice Mohit Shah for walking this gathering through the geographical location and other important facets of the Paliganj subdivision and creating an awareness of its importance. I appreciate the assurance of commencing sessions courts as flagged by the President Bar Association. I congratulate Mr. Rupesh Deo, Learned Principal District and Sessions Judge, Patna, who has demonstrated through this project that administrative will and judicial vision can produce tangible results when they operate in concert. My sincere appreciation to all judicial officers associated with the project, to the engineers, architects, supervisors, and workers of the Public Works Department and the Bihar State Building Construction Corporation. Your work with the consistent support of the government has given shape to the project. So far as the issue of the guest house raised by Learned JAD2, it appears to have been dormant for the last 4 years. Definitely, the registry will act proactively on this matter and will take it up with the concerned authorities. As we have formally opened the doors of the subdivisional court complex today, we must look beyond physical architecture. Infrastructure is the body, but the actual delivery of justice depends on our collective work ethics, integrity, and dedication. Let this inauguration be remembered not for the grandeur of the occasion, but for the quality of justice that flows from this complex in the years ahead. That is the only measure that matters. Thank you. Jai Hind.